Jura A1 Automatic Coffee Machine Review, 6 Super Features. Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The Jura A1 accomplishes this by employing a technique known as pulse extraction, which brews coffee in short intervals rather than in a continuous flow. A visible bean container is included with the Jura A1 Super Automatic Coffee Machine. This is a brand new, high-tech addition to Jura's coffee equipment. The Jura A1 simple touchscreen control panel is very detailed and customizable. Because the ideal temperature for perfect espresso is 185 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, you should investigate your coffee machine's heating system to learn more about how it works. The Fragrance G3 grinder on the Jura A1 has been specially designed to shorten grinding time in half. Every Jura coffee machine comes with a clear all blue filter that is unique to each.